Hi guys, this is the MACC Special 391AV twin column, fully automatic straight cutting machine, equipped with two vertical vices, one on the carriage and one on the fixed vice. Maximum capacity is 230 millimeters solid full material. In this particular area here, you'll find that there's a tray which you can control, clean the coolant tray, and also an area which will collect the chips or swarf from cutting. Here also you will have a chip extractor tray, so when cutting through the full material, obviously delivers chips through the center of the machine, through the corkscrew effect into the back tray, which can easily be emptied from here. The added guarding in this particular position is for extra protection for health and safety regulations. There is an area or a viewing area here that you can visualize everything that's moving within inside the machine. But apart from that, a small footprint machine with the ability to cut 230 solid material. This is the MACC Special 391AV-MAX, equipped with a touchscreen 10-inch, a vertical vise on the movable carriage side, also a fixed vise, vertical vise, dual column linear slides, one here and one here for extra rigidity when cutting solid materials. Each vertical vise is equipped with a pressure gauge, or should I say pressure regulator, which is situated here. As you can see on this machine, the descent regulation is at the front of the machine, and you have a vice pressure regulator here. Also, to wash down this particular machine, it also comes as standard with a wash down gun. This is the MACC Top 10S touchscreen. In a manual environment for this particular machine, you have carriage left, i.e. away from the vice, carriage right. You also have the option to select the length in which you want the carriage to be in. By pressing go to, the carriage will move. Blade up, blade down, blade speed, and also at the same time you can change the blade speed in the manual environment, semi-automatic. Vice open, vice closed, vice closed. Number one will be the fixed vice, and as you can see from the arrow, open, vice, carriage, close, vice, carriage. You can also change the areas in which you choose, whether it be water or spray if it's equipped to your machine. In an automatic environment, this is where you program the list of cutting. As you can see from the start, you have a coolant on or off, blade rotation, bar width, bar length, and an optimization mode, i.e. minimum waste. By hovering and selecting over the box, you can change the length of pieces that you wish to cut. So length 200 millimeters, 10 pieces. Second line 175 millimeters, 48 pieces. When you have written the program you wish to cut in an automatic environment, it shows you from the set length of bar of 6 meters, this will be the optimization of the bar. By lowering the blade just above the material and pressing the start button, the automatic cycle will start. Thanks for watching. We have this machine and more in stock and ready to demonstrate at the ITM showroom in Brisbane. For more information, visit our website at maccmachinery.com.au.